Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to file your taxes on the IRS website. First, determine your eligibility for IRS Free File, which is available for taxpayers whose adjusted gross income is below $79,000. Next, gather all your essential tax documents, including W-2 forms, 1099 forms, and any other income or deduction statements. Having these ready will streamline the entire process, making it much quicker and easier to complete your return accurately. Once you've confirmed your eligibility, you'll choose between two main IRS Free File options. You can use guided tax preparation through an IRS partner, which is ideal if you prefer step-by-step assistance. Or, if you're confident in preparing your own return, Free File fillable forms allow you to enter information directly into electronic IRS forms. Consider your comfort level with tax law to select the best method for you. Now, let's walk through the filing steps. After selecting a provider, create an account and securely input your personal details and income information from your W-2 and 1099 forms. The software will guide you in claiming applicable deductions and credits, potentially lowering your tax owed or increasing your refund. Take your time to carefully review every section of your return for accuracy before moving to the final step. The final step is submission. You'll electronically sign your return, often using a 5-digit self-selected PIN or your prior year's adjusted gross income. Once signed, submit your federal return and any associated state returns directly through the Free File program. You will receive an email confirmation once the IRS accepts your return, typically within 24 to 48 hours. Remember to save a copy for your records.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.